Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to share screen on Google Meet. So maybe in a Google meeting, you find the need to share your screen because you want to present your data or your material about the meeting, and I'm going to show you how to share the screen on Google Meet. So in this case, I'm using the Google Meet on my mobile phone. So you need to start the meeting first. So for example, you're in the meeting. I'm going to start an instant meeting. Okay, so for example, you're in this meeting and you want to share your screen. You just need to click on the three dots icon at the bottom and you'll find the option to share your screen. This one's right here. So you can just click on share screen and click on start sharing. Okay, so now your screen on your phone is shared into everyone in the meeting. And when you want to stop it, you can just click on stop sharing, and just like that. That is how you can share screen on Google Meet. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.